Delhi is one of India's most fascinating, vibrant, and influential cities. As the capital of the country, it serves as the political, cultural, and economic heart of India. The city is home to millions of residents and welcomes millions of visitors every year. Delhi offers a unique blend of ancient history and modern development, where magnificent monuments stand alongside busy commercial districts, luxury hotels, and expanding residential neighborhoods. Transportation is an essential part of daily life in Delhi. The city has one of Asia's largest and most efficient metro systems, connecting major districts, business centers, residential areas, and tourist attractions. In addition to the metro, Delhi has an extensive network of public buses, suburban trains, taxis, app-based ride services, auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, and motorcycles. These transportation options make it possible to travel throughout the city, although journeys can often take longer than expected due to heavy traffic. Traffic congestion is one of Delhi's biggest challenges. The city's roads are filled with cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, and auto rickshaws throughout the day. During peak hours, major intersections and highways become extremely crowded, and long traffic jams are common. Horns are heard constantly and have become part of the city's everyday atmosphere. Despite continuous investments in road infrastructure, flyovers, and metro expansion, the rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership means that congestion remains a significant issue. Delhi is world famous for its remarkable historical architecture, reflecting centuries of Indian history and the influence of several great empires. Visitors can explore magnificent forts, grand mosques, elegant tombs, temples, palaces, gardens, and impressive gateways. Many of these structures were built during the Mughal Empire and showcase exceptional craftsmanship through intricate stone carvings, marble decorations, massive domes, elegant arches, and detailed ornamental designs. Colonial-era buildings from the British period also contribute to the city's distinctive architectural landscape. Old Delhi provides a completely different experience from the modern parts of the city. Narrow, winding streets, centuries-old buildings, traditional homes, and historic neighborhoods create an atmosphere that feels like stepping back in time. Many family-owned workshops continue to produce handcrafted goods using techniques passed down through generations. The combination of history, culture, and daily life makes Old Delhi one of the city's most captivating areas. Delhi street markets are among the largest and most colorful in India. Visitors can browse countless stalls selling spices, fresh fruits and vegetables, traditional clothing, silk fabrics, jewelry, leather goods, handicrafts, brassware, flowers, incense, souvenirs, electronics, and household items. The markets are lively, crowded, and full of energy, with vendors calling out to customers and shoppers negotiating prices. The sights, sounds, and aromas create an unforgettable sensory experience. Street food is one of Delhi's greatest attractions and plays an important role in the city's culture. Food stalls can be found throughout the city, serving freshly prepared dishes throughout the day. Popular specialties include samosas, pakoras, chaat, parathas, kebabs, naan, butter chicken, various curry dishes, sweet desserts, fresh fruit juices, masala chai, and lassi. Many food vendors have been serving the same family recipes for decades, attracting both locals and visitors who appreciate authentic Indian flavors. Alongside its historic districts, Delhi continues to grow as a modern global city. New business centers, shopping malls, luxury hotels, office towers, and residential developments continue to reshape the skyline. The contrast between old and new is one of Delhi's defining characteristics, where glass skyscrapers stand only a short distance from monuments that are hundreds of years old. Delhi is a city of remarkable contrasts and endless energy. Its rich history, impressive architecture, bustling transportation system, vibrant street markets, and world-famous street food combine to create an unforgettable destination. Whether exploring ancient landmarks, experiencing the colorful bazaars, or tasting local cuisine, visitors quickly discover why Delhi remains one of Asia's most exciting and culturally diverse cities.